Hello guys, all welcome to All You Need Will Be Here. Today I am going to show you all sensors in Oppo F1s. Here is an app called Sensor Test. Let me go Sensor Test. Here it shows accelerometer. It's an accelerometer test, and it shows in which direction we can move. Its x is 0.3 and y is 8.7 and z is 3.9. If we rotate this side, the x is moving and z is going to minus, and it is minus x and it is minus y. It is z direction. Here we can find 9.4 meter per second square, and some matter is there. Accelerometer measures acceleration including gravity along the three axes. Next sensor is magnetic field. Here magnetic field is 35 point and something mu t. In x direction it is 15 and in y direction minus 22, z direction plus 22. Magnetometer measures the magnetic field along the three axes of the device. Here it measures the magnetometer along three axes. If we rotate this side, it's and y, it's z, y. And the next sensor is orientation sensor. Orientation sensor means it's south to southwest, I think it is. The sensor measures the orientation of the device with respect to the earth. It actually uses data from gravity sensor or accelerometer and magnetic field sensor to get the device orientation. The x and y values represent the rotation of the device around its x and y axis with respect to horizontal position. Okay, it's showing the degrees, means the device orientation measured with respect to earth. Here it was changing. It's southwest, it's southwest, it's southeast. It's only measures in x and y direction only, not in z direction. Here southwest and west southwest. It have orientation sensor also. Gyroscope means gyroscope measures the angular speed with respect to the three axes of the device. Positive speed means counterclockwise rotation, right hand value. Where is we can find the change in the gyroscope. We can measure the values, and here it's light sensor. Here it is the light. It is the proxy sensor and light sensor. The sensor measures the ambient light level. The sensor is usually placed on front of the phone. It means here it placed in here only. If you close this, it's getting 0. If you open it, it's 12. Suddenly 12. If you move this towards the light, it increase. If you move, it's 21. You can find a light upside. So if we show the phone to light side, it will increase the light value. So it have light sensor. And next, proximity sensor. Proximity sensor means it can find the object distance, means the distance between the object and the phone. It helps to the main purpose of proximity sensor is if you put the phone at earpiece while you have a call, the screen will be off. Means here it's 0 distance, 0 centimeters. You can find the value turns to 0 and 5 0, 5, only 5 it's showing. So it works. Here some matter is there. Proximity sensor measures the distance of an object from the front of the phone. Some sensors only support the near and far states, so they will report the maximum measurement, far or 0, near. This is a wake up sensor. Yes, it is what I said. Okay, next sensor is gravity sensor. It's little equal to the gyroscope. This sensor measures the gravity acceleration excluding any other acceleration. Means the common gravity of Earth is 9.807 meter per second square. Here we can find some values x, y, z. Means if the device rotated in x, then the value of x is changed. If the device is rotated in y, the value of y is changed, and z as well as. You can find the changing of means the speed of the device rotating in any direction it shows. Linear acceleration. Linear acceleration sensor measures the acceleration of the device excluding gravity. Means linear acceleration 0 point it shows, means excluding gravity. These values are excluding gravity, and for gravity it's including gravity. And the next sensor is rotation vector. The sensor measures the orientation of the device with respect to Earth as a combination of a rotation angle and axis. The device is rotated of an angle theta around the axis defined by x, y, z. It uses this data from the accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetic field sensor to get the orientation of the device. Means here the values, these values are calculated from accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetic field sensors. So finally, it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sensors. Means some are combined sensors. First sensor is accelerometer, second sensor is magnetic field, third sensor is orientation, fourth sensor is gyroscope, and next light, and next proximity and gravity and linear acceleration and rotation vector. All these sensors are working at the same time. The main sensors for a smartphone is accelerometer, gyroscope, light, and proximity sensor. These 4 sensors is very important for a phone. That's it. This is videos for about all the sensor in Oppo F1s. Thank you.